So let's move on with question number 22. SharePoint is about centralizing documents. So how similar is it to Windows folder? Now the basic intent of SharePoint introduction in the market was that it will help you to take all your office documents which is scattered across personal PCs into one central server so that everybody can access it, everybody can version it, etc. So what we'll do is in this session we'll try to understand that if we have a simple Windows folder structure, how can we map that on the SharePoint? So what I've done is that here's my simple folder I have in my C drive. In my C drive I have courses. In courses I have networking and programming, and then I have made two more folders in that. One is a Java and another is .NET. Now in .NET I have a simple folder, I have a simple file which basically is for C#. It's a C# tutorial. So in other words, this is my folder structure. Now what we'll do is that in this session we will try to mimic the same folder on SharePoint, and we will see that how we can then use this thing to centralize our official documents. So let's create the same folder structure in our SharePoint site. Here's our SharePoint site, learn SharePoint. Right. Now what we'll do is that we'll create right from courses, networking, programming, and two more folders under programming inside documents. Okay. So click on site actions, click on site settings, and in site settings click on site libraries and list, and we'll just create a simple basic page, and now click on document library. Now document library is what basically mimics the same folder structure of Windows. So our first folder structure here is courses. So let's create courses. This folder has all courses. Yes, you want to display in the quick launch. Quick launch means this one, and I say create. Now what it does is that it creates your courses structure here. Now click on courses. Now the second thing what we like to do is that we need to create a networking folder inside courses. So click on courses, click on new, and create a new folder. So networking. So there are two folders here, networking and programming. So networking, and we need to again create one more folder inside it, programming. So programming. So you can see that inside courses you have networking, you have programming, and here's a different view which you can also see: courses, networking, and programming. Now in programming we need to create two more folders, .NET and Java. So by using the new menu, I have created folders in programming, .NET and Java. Now one more thing which is remaining is in .NET we basically have the document. So what we'll do is that let's upload the document. Let's go to .NET, and you can see here upload. So upload document, and let me upload the same document online. Take this folder, so browse, so .NET C#. So this uploads my document, and that's what we have. So we have courses. Courses has networking and programming. In programming we further have Java and .NET, and in .NET we have our document. And the same thing is exactly in your local folder. Now you can go one more step ahead using SharePoint, where you can actually see the Windows Explorer view. So go to actions and say that okay, open with Windows Explorer view. Now you will see that it's giving you the same structure in a Windows format, and this is exactly what it looks like, or this is exactly how your Windows looks like. So here's your C, courses, networking, programming, and the same thing is over here. courses, programming, Java, .NET. So in other words, what we have achieved is a complete folder structure in a centralized manner in SharePoint. And that's the biggest plus point about SharePoint, that it helps you to uh, have a normal folder structure online in a centralized server. I hope that this session was useful, uh, where we try to understand how we can basically map our folder structure in the centralized SharePoint server.